The SAMTEC Accelerate Slim Body Direct Attach Cable Assembly includes the ARF6 Vertical Slim Socket, ARF6-RA Right Angle Slim Socket, and ARC6 Slim Cable Body that mate together for a secure connection. The ARC6 cable has an operating temperature range from -40 to 125 degrees Celsius and supports 56 gigabit per second PAM4 and 28 gigabit per second NRZ applications. This is accomplished with pairs of 34-gauge 100-ohm I-speed ultra-low skewed twin-X cables. The high-density 2-row design has a 0.635mm pitch with 8 and 16 differential pair options. The ARF6 is a vertical surface mounting connector that is shielded and fitted with a rugged metal latch. The ARF6-RA is a right angle connector that has rugged metal latching and shielding. These cables are ideal for differential pair routing and test in flyover midboard assemblies.